Hi guys, I am back today with Lantern Wren's Seriously Slim Stamper version 2.0. It comes in this little case if you want to have a case to keep it all nice and tidy in your wherever you store your nail art supplies. So here is the Seriously Slim Stamper version 1.0, and you'll see that on both ends you have this whitey clearish stamping head. So the main difference with version 2.0 is that one of the ends is blue. And so this way, if you have the lighter polishes, you can stamp those and you can see those a little bit more clearly on the end. And you can see that it is just as super squishy as the other end. And just like with version 1.0, we're looking at about 1.2 centimeters across. So that's going to be about ½ an inch across, a little bit smaller. So if you got version 1.0 and you're like, man, I am really annoyed because I would really like to have that dark end to the stamper, do not worry because she's got replacement heads that you can buy. So you can go in and you can just get yourself some replacement heads and just stick it on your Seriously Slim Stamper 1 and you're not missing out on anything. You're good to go. But if you have not purchased it yet and you're looking, this is a cool addition, I think. If you don't have version 1.0 and you're wondering, well, what's the big deal? The cool thing about the Seriously Slim Stamper is that with the pencil barrel, you get a little bit more control, you get a little bit better placement, you can kind of see where you're putting things a little bit better. So with clear stampers sometimes, they're especially small fine line images sometimes don't pick up so well. You want to be able to use a surface that is a little less finicky. So this will do it for you, and then because it's small, it will allow you to kind of place it where you want to. So I've done a test video. I will link it below if you want to see my first test video with version 1. But let's take a look and make sure that this is still the high quality that the first one was, and also take a look at how a light colored polish shows up on this. We're going to use UberChic Beauty 2601. So this is Kaleidoscope ST04 Pink, and as you can see, that's just perfect pickup. So we're going to go ahead and place it on. There we go. So you can see just kind of a quick little flick. We do our second layer with Kaleidoscope ST01. Alright, there's the image. Okay. We're going to go in and you can see how because this is so small here, I can see where I'm putting stuff and I can just put it on over. And I did that slowly because I'm on camera, but you can see there that the placement on that is nearly perfect. And you can see just how beautifully I was able to layer that without, even though it's not a clear stamper. So I continue to be like pretty impressed by the fact that you can get such good placement with this, even though you're not dealing with a clear stamper. All right, so let's try feature number 2, which is that darker head, and see how a lighter polish looks on it. And we will use Kaleidoscope ST01 White. So that's beautiful and vibrant, and you don't have to worry about being able to see what you're doing. And again, if I want to place it and I want precision, let's say I want it, you know, like it's pretty much centered right over here, you're going to be able to see where you're putting it, and boom, right on. Beautiful. I'll put another one here. Again, all I gotta do is kind of carefully look and boom. But you can see, no clear stamper and still pretty darn good placement and pretty darn cute mani. The placement around the flower, just gorgeous. So yes, this, just like version 1.0, this is extremely useful for little things when you want to pick up those images and be able to place them well. I will say, in terms of priming it, I don't prime any of my stampers, and I've never had a problem. I wouldn't prime this one either. Just wash it with dish soapy water and you will be good to go. So I will link it on down below, and I will also link just the replacement heads if you're interested in that. And thank you for watching.